They talk about the need for 300,000 hectares of new New Zealand native forest by 2035. A small business depends upon a lot of things that are provided by the natural world. Then I thought, well, let's investigate how we can support conservation. And that's where I started forming relationships with organisations like the Quail Island Trust.
Warren Begley first came to us back in 2013. He purchased the plants for that year's planting. This year, Warren and his family are now principal sponsors.
We really need the other businesses to nurture and grow these conservation projects. Think about legacy, think long term, and be ambitious. We began with the idea that we might contribute maybe 10% of the profits. Now we contribute 100% of the profits. It's a wonderful feeling.